Okay, so it's very similar to what we've done before. Is I want to copy the profile from um, the, the horizontal stabilizer root. Okay, which is here. Okay, so I'm gonna. Is that one or is it that one? Turn the bodies off to see what I'm doing. Okay, it's not that one. It's this one. So go to. Why has it done that? Okay, instead I'm going to go back to the original one that we created. I'm going to copy it. However, what I am going to do is not that one, not that one, that one. I'm going to create a sketch on that. I'm going to paste. You see, I'm just like clicking that, clicking the little arrows now. Falls into place. That looks like it's bang on. So now we want to scale this back from this point. So we want to pull the front back. So I'm going to try this. There, create. So let's finish the sketch first. To modify scale here. That's right. Try it again from. I'm just going to try and select it from here and do it. Okay, that worked. So 0.3. Let's just say that. And then we're going to move this again. Again, I'm probably not doing it right. That's why it's never in the right place. But it's never really been a problem. So okay, and then I'm going to move it out this way. We're going to have a really ridiculously large. Okay, so just you have to get where it should be. I don't know if you need to add washout or and I'd add washout to the wings on mine, but you might just keep it straight, which I've done right now. And then we're going to loft this to here as a separate part. So loft this to here, new body, because we want it to be separate. Okay, so now you can see here we've now got a horizontal stabilizer. Okay, and as with the other side, we are gonna mirror this. So create, mirror, turn the origin back on, pick the mirror line, which I think is, turn the bodies off. Mirror plane, that one. Hit OK, turn the bodies back on. Tailplane is nearly done. Okay, as I said, you're obviously going to spend more time getting your dimensions and things like that. You can dimension as well, of course. But for a tutorial, that's the way I would do it. So we have the bulk here. You can bulk out. You can bulk this part out more. So like just as an example, I'm going to edit that. This whatever sketch that is. Not that one, not that one. It's not that one, just be this one. Okay, so like if I just move this, my computer's now computing. So what's happened there is I've tried to change that. It's kind of messed with it because it's changing uh, all of the actions that happen after it. So like the cuts and the adds and the joins, etc. But anyways, you get the idea of it. You know, the only for the wing, you know, you kind of do exactly the same. This is where you want your root down here. You know, you just figure out where you want to put it. Create the horizontal stabilizer the same way. I will do it. I will do the wings just in another video. But you know, if you want to you know, added some washout, for example, and as I said, I will do it in another video. But that you know, here, and then what you can do is if you go to the side view here, you can just you can click here, or you can click here, and you can go, you know, you can add like say 3 degrees of washout, for example, right? And then you turn your bodies back on, you know, you go to your left view, and now you can see there's a little bit of washout added. I can't remember if it's the washout starts at the front or if it's from the back, etc. But anyways, you get the idea. So from here, you should be able to pretty confidently now create your tailplane. You know, if it needs dihedral, etc., you need to think about all that. You can see at the moment this is actually coming down because of this end profile isn't in the center. Okay, and that's something else you have to do. But hopefully, you know, you've got a 1 mil thick now, which is roughly the thickness of the composite. Let me just go here, you know, all the way back down here. Oh, that's solid. Oh yeah, they're solid right now. We haven't created those as shells, so I'm just gonna do that quickly. So bodies, select my 2 bodies, go to shell, give it 1 mil, done, and then we'll do another inspection, and then we can go down, pull this down here, and there we go. You know, you can really, here's where, you know, when later on when we fill it around here, it's going to add some more meat around this area. You can see here where the 2 joints are buttoned up together. But you know, this would be your composite part being laid out. You know, it's not going to be obviously as perfectly smooth as that, but roughly it's right. And when we come later, also to add some supports and ribs and things like that, and really define how you want to finish off the model for strengthening, etc. Okay, so thanks again. I think I've done 4 or 5 videos for this. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it, you know, it gives you some ideas of your own as well. So yeah, take care, stay safe. Thanks.